Okay, so I've put a little water feature together using natural French tufa rock and some slate as well. Added a few ferns on top. Now, tufa rock is amazing. This is full of water. Now, you can see it doesn't have any of the water coming through it, but purely because it's sitting on an area with water, this is full of water. That's the amazing thing about tufa rock. It'll support life very, very, very well. So, and it's easy to carve as well. I carved this little sort of grooves so that the water would flow in the way that I wanted, and I, carved a little hole in there for the pipe, which is really easy just to cover up and look pretty. So yeah, here I got a little light to show you how the moss is already filling out and getting used to its new environment. The Mediterranean, the Torta Mediterranean, as you can see here, has already sent out some new growth in the corner there. The swan-neck thyme moss here has taken on a beautiful color already, filling out and looking gorgeous. And here in the corner is rambling tail moss. I've done a few videos with rambling tail moss before. I love this moss, absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, added a few other things. The Fissendens there in the corners filled out nicely and is looking gorgeous. It's really taking on a beautiful color. I don't know if I can show you there. It's really starting to get green and beautiful. What I'll do is I'll go through and I'll just take pictures or like a quick video of each moss and give it its name, scientific name, so you can recognize it. And yeah, the creeping feather moss looking green and beautiful and filled out beautifully. The Andrea Ea has sent out new growth already, 3 days. Amazing. Yeah. Other ones they'll just have to catch up. The aquatic mint is very happy. We got down here. Ooh, scared little fishy. Sorry about the light. Sorry about the light. So the phonics moss. The phonics moss is beautiful. It's regaining its color. It's only been 3 days, so it won't be fully attached, but you can see there. It's happily getting situated. And a little Corydorus fish there. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a nice scrub, a nice wash, and maybe change the water again. Just so that it's crystal clear. The fishies are scared of the light. But yeah, there you go. And the really cool thing about this kind of project is it's never really finished. You can fiddle with it, change things, move rocks, really little bit by little bit, and watch it grow. And there. So, thank you very much for watching. This is Rose from the Briefritter Nursery and Sabazan, the Mediterranean, the hills of Pyrenees, France. We sell all of these substrates, moss, plants, ferns, all in our little Etsy shop. And I'm always here if you need advice or any ideas. Yeah, subscribe if you want to, like if you like. And yeah, take care. Let me see with the glow light. Fantastic. And this is the night vision. What it'll look like at nighttime. So much fun. Okay, take care guys. Bye.